Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I didn't even know if I was going to film a video on this, but I realized how much I love these products and that I've never really talked about them too much. And since they're relaunching them, I thought I would do a video on them because I think these are one of Colourpop's best products that they have. So today we're going to be talking about the new big box of Lippie Stix and the new big box of Lippie pencils. I love the new packaging on both of them. I actually have had these before. I do have my big box of Lippie pencils right now, and I've lost quite a few over the years, so I've put different ones in here, but I always have this on my desk and vanity at all times. And honestly, I've had this for a couple of years I think now, and ever since I've had this, I have never needed to buy, I think, just one. It was very recently that I bought a lip liner, but I haven't needed to buy another lip liner in so long after having this. So this is the one that they had originally. I do like the new packaging better. It does match my room a little bit more as well. And I did have the big box of Lippie Stix as well, but I lost it in the move. Cannot find it anywhere, so I'm really happy I have a new one. But these are launching when you guys are watching this on June 9th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code, it's just Katrina, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Honestly, both of these are such good staples. I feel like if you have these, you don't need to buy another lipstick or a lip liner ever again. So I do think that it's worth the money. I think, let me see, how much is it? So the big box of Lippie pencils comes with 40 lip liners, and this is what it looks like. It flips open like this, and you can see all of the colors right here. This comes with 40 pencils, and it will be $79, and then you can use my code on top of that. And then the box of Lippie Stix, this is what it looks like when you open it up. I love the new packaging of the Lippie Stix, the color on the entire pencil now, compared to before where it was just let me see how they used to be, where it was white and then the color was just on top. Seriously, this is heaven. If you're like me and you love lipsticks, this is heaven on earth. So that comes with 48 Lippie Stix, and that one is $99. So when you do it like that, it comes out to $2 each for the Lippie Stix, and then $197-ish for the pencil. So this is great if, like I said, if you're an everyday makeup consumer. I swear you never need another lipstick or lip pencil again. But this is also really good if you're a makeup artist. This has so many lip pencils in here that you can use on clients and different things. And then obviously this is super bulky, but if you're a makeup artist and you need lipsticks and stuff, you can you can depot these and put them in a you know, in your kit, and it saves so much space. And honestly, these lipsticks, I love the Lippie Stix formula. That this is just so good if you're a makeup artist. It comes with every single shade. Honestly, I can't really tell. I was trying to look up the shades from the original Lippie pencil from the Lippie Stix box, but I couldn't tell. Some of the names look different, but they might just be renamed. But it does look like there are more nude shades in here than they used to be. I feel like the other one had more, it had nudes, but it had some more pinky nudes in there too, whereas I feel like this has a lot of nudes and darker nudes and stuff. But this literally has every single color lipstick you would need. I have used this for so many different looks. If I'm fuck, I need a pink or a bright pink, or shades that I don't ever usually have, or something I won't usually go out of my way to buy, because let's be real, when I buy lipsticks, it's usually a nude lipstick. So if I'm damn, I want a pink lipstick, or something a little bit more orange, and I don't have it, I always would gravitate towards this, and I could always get a lip color that I needed out of this. So also it just looks so aesthetically pleasing on my desk. This is just so nice. And like I said, I like the new packaging a lot better. Before it was in this light pink shade, and I mean, it's cute, but I this matches my room a little bit better. So I really like that. But between the two, I think they're both worth the money for sure, hands down. But seriously, the Lippie pencils is the best thing, and it's just, it already comes in this really cute packaging where you can literally just have this on display. Like I said, I have truly only bought one, maybe two lip liners, maybe three, I might be lying, less than 5 lip liners, less than 4 probably, since I have had this, because I've truly never needed another one. This literally has everything I need. And I love the Colourpop lip pencil formula. It's definitely my top favorite formulas for lip pencils, and I just love. Oh, I also realized that the lip pencils are all the same shade of the lip color now as well. Like before, this was like, it was just the cap, so I do like that. Yeah, I can't tell if the shades in here are new shades, if they're not, but there are like favorites in here, like BFF is like the best seller, Little One, Another Round, Brink, which is like one of my favorite lip pencils of all time, Field Day, that one sounds like it's new, I don't remember that name, Oh Sis, Beeper, which is like a fan favorite, BFF2, which is one of my favorites, that's definitely my top favorite lip liners ever, along with like BFF3, Control, Pitch, BFF3 is in here, which is my favorite. So yeah, it definitely has like everything that you would need. So I decided to be a psychopath today and swatch all of these for you guys, because why not? I thought since it's just a very short video, just kind of like showing these products, I was like, why not just swatch 80 something lip products. I'm gonna do lip swatches just because I'm not gonna put my lips through that. But I've never picked this up, or if you've been like debating on it every single time they've launched these, I would definitely recommend it. It's seriously like the best thing that Colourpop has, besides like maybe like obviously their palettes and stuff are my favorite, but like when it comes to certain things that like stand out to me for Colourpop, it's definitely the big box of Lippie Stix and the Lippie pencils, just because it's just like perfect. And it's so, I mean, obviously it's a higher up their price. $99 and $99 is a lot for like Colourpop, but when you think about it, you're getting a shit ton of like products. You're getting literally like every single color lip liner that you would need and lipstick. So obviously if you don't want to get both, you don't have to. Like between the two, I would definitely say the Lippie pencils is like my go-to. Like I said, I always keep this on my desk at all times, and like anytime I need like a lip pencil or anything, I just grab that and use it. And for this, I've never tried the Lippie Stick formula before. What are you doing? It's such a good formula. There are a mixture of matte and cream and Matte X formulas in here, but there are quite a few Matte X, which is actually my favorite formula. The Lippie Stix. By the way, if you guys are wondering what shade I have on right now, I have Grunge. This is one of my favorite colors from Colourpop. It's that perfect, like, has like that mauvey brown undertone. It's like very like 90s. Literally one of the best Lippie Stix that Colourpop has. I am going to go ahead and insert the swatches of the Lippie Stix and Lippie pencils right here. It's probably going to be a little bit longer of a montage of swatches than normal, so I'll go ahead and insert that right here. So those are the swatches of all of the Lippie Stix and Lippie pencils. Hopefully that was super helpful for you if you guys have been thinking about picking one of these up. In the two, it just really depends on what you're looking for. I think for the everyday person, the Lippie pencils, this is it. This is like the best thing that Colourpop has. I love that it already comes in like a box that you can just already like just open, put this on display. This is it. Even if you're an everyday consumer, I do think the big box of Lippie Stix is good as well, but obviously not everyone needs every single color lipstick ever. But I do think if you are a makeup artist, this is definitely like something that you should think about picking up, because one, the formula is really good. Even if you don't end up like depotting the lipsticks or anything and like putting them in a kit, putting these lipsticks, they don't take up a lot of space. The Lippie Stix, they're such a good size. They're so slim, like they don't take up a lot of space in your kit or anything. I used to have them in my kit as well, and I never depotted them, so I had a lot, and like honestly you could put a lot of them in like a little like Zuko bag or something like that and just have literally every color lipstick possible. There are a lot of nudes and reds and pinky nudes, browns, like there is so much in here, so I definitely think the Lippie Stix is really good if you're a makeup artist. But again, everyday consumer, you buy these, you probably won't ever need another lipstick again either. It's like bottom part of the Lippie pencils is just like my heaven right here, just nude lip pencils. The top as well. There's also a black lip liner in here, which if you are like me and you wear black lipstick, you always need a black lip liner, so I love having a black lip liner in here. There are some like purples and like fun colors, and if you have never tried the Lippie pencils, please do. The formula is chef's kiss, and you can honestly wear the Lippie pencils as lipsticks themselves too. So but yeah, I definitely think both of them are worth it. Like I said, these are launching today when you guys are watching this. I will link them down below for you guys once they are available. And like I said, you guys can use my code, so it does make it a little bit cheaper if you guys were thinking about it. And like I said, they've launched these before, so if you have like thought about picking these up, I definitely think you should, just because I feel like now of all times the packaging looks the best. I just like this like more beigey nude packaging than the old like pink one. But obviously that's just like aesthetic reasons. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, have you guys picked these up, or are you guys thinking about picking these up? Let me know. I want to hear your guys' thoughts down below. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.